안녕하세요. There are two ways to count from 1 to 10 in Korean. The first way uses the Sino-Korean number system. The second uses the native Korean number system. Let's start with the Sino-Korean system. These numbers come from Chinese, and you'll use them for things like dates, money, and addresses. Repeat after me to get the hang of it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next up are the native Korean numbers. They're used for things like age, counting objects, and hours. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. How do you know which number systems to use? It depends on the case. If you're talking about your age or counting apples, go for native Korean numbers. But for your phone number or the date, that's a job for Sino-Korean numbers. Quick tip, learn the Sino-Korean numbers first. They're a bit easier. And just like that, you've got the basics of Korean numbers. Practice makes perfect, so keep at it. To learn more about Korean numbers, check our resource in the link below. Got questions or want to share how you did? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun and easy Korean lessons. Catch you next time!